Hi, I already made videos about changing tires, truing wheels and everything, but this is an interesting specimen that is very good to demonstrate some things that might confuse people. I've seen people ask questions and have problems. So we'll bring the camera over to show first what the tire that has damaged casing looks like. So here you can see this casing is broken, it's delaminating, and this tire is about to burst. You can also see rot and dry tire cracks on the sidewall. Do not forget, I have an article explaining how to tell that your tire is fit for replacement, that it's had its best days. So I'll put that link to that article in the video's description, but here I want to show some. This one has a lot of signs of old aging, and it should have been replaced yesterday. It also has cracks on the area that touches the pavement, so you can see it's all dry, cracked, and this tire should be replaced. But an interesting thing, and I've seen people make that mistake, this wheel now has a bit of a, it's not true, but the problem is that when the tire's casing starts breaking, the pressure, when you add pressure to your tire, it will not be distributing that pressure evenly on both sides, and because of the tire you might have some how do I say, non-trueness on the rim itself. So if you look against the brakes, you can see that the rim itself is not perfectly true, but very likely when I remove the tire, the rim will be true, and when I mount a normal good tire, the rim will be true with that tire. This crack, like here, is what most probably helps, attributes and causes that small amount of sideways wobble, and that is the problem. So I wanted just to make a short video to note and show this. Hope it helps someone, and that's the whole video. Cheers, stay cool.